2022 Volkswagen Jetta SE with 9,000 miles. Hi, this is Carter, and I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let's talk about this awesome-looking Jetta. It's rising blue. It's got the black Titan leatherette, the synthetic leather. Black wheel package on it. Moonroof, 8-speed Tiptronic automatic. 1.5-liter turbo. It's got bumper-to-bumper warranty on it. It's been independently inspected. Came back needing nothing but an oil change. We just did an oil change on it, fresh recon. But what a pretty car. Love that black roof, the black wheels, this blue. Wow. It's 4th of July. You can hear the fireworkers in the background. Heated leather or leatherette. That's the synthetic leather. Big touch screen. Got all the phone hookups, the Android, the Apple. Big digital screen. Push button start. All the goodies. Back to the factory warranty. You can extend that very reasonably since it's under factory warranty. You can talk to the finance guy about that. Speaking of finance, get pre-approved at Autorama Auto Sales here, or Autorama Auto. And we can have you in and out of our office in under 20 minutes. Seriously, we're not even going to offer you a cup of coffee. You're not going to be here that long. Other dealers keep you way so long to sell you all this extra garbage, to play the back and forth game. We don't do that. I know you're going to find similar cars priced for less money. Why? Because a lot of dealers have the hidden fees. That's why they keep you so long, to go back and forth and go back and forth. We don't do that. Price you see is the price you pay. Drive it away. You don't have to call and say, what's your bottom dollar? Give me a bill of sale. The last dealership advertised a car for $25,000, but it ended up being $28,000 with all their fees before the state stuff. We don't do that. Price you see is the price you pay. Drive it away. We do have a $145 dock fee, but this is a video coupon. Show this to the F&I guy, and he's going to give you a free dock. Well, I'm going to give you a free dock fee. I'm the owner, but he's going to give you the dock fee for free. So let's recap. 2022 SE, less than 10,000 miles. Heated leatherette. Fresh service, fresh recon. No hidden fees. Fast financing. That is the Autorama advantage. Come and experience it.